फातोड्डेच्या पुलिसांनी बंगळुरूच्या 2 वेगळ्या आरोप्यांक अपहरण प्रकरणांत संबंदांत अटक केल्या। दिनेश गिरी मूळ कर्नाटकांतलो, सद्याक कुट्टरी वाठारांत रावतालो आनी सलमान सिद्दीकी मूळ केरळा वाठारांतलो, सद्याक फातोड्डा वाठारांत रावतालो। ह्या दोनूय आरोप्यांक 2 अल्पवयीन चलयांच्या अपहरण प्रकरणांत अटक केल्या। दोनूय आरोपींक JMFC मुखार हाजीर करून 1 दीस पुलीस ताब्यांत दिला। फुडलो तपास चालू आसा अशें फातोड्डा पुलिसांनी पत्रकारांक सांगलें।
Station we registered a complaint against the accused person Dinesh Giri, who is resident of Kurturi and native of Karnataka, for kidnapping the minor girl of the complainant on his legal guardianship. Upon the information of our sources and under the supervision of our superiors, we apprehended the accused person Dinesh BK, who is a native of Nepal, from Bangalore. The said accused person has been brought at the police station and he has been produced before JMFC court Margam, wherein he has been remanded police custody. Similarly, there is one more kidnapping case which is being committed by accused person Salman Siddiqui, who is a resident of Fathoda and native of Kerala, who has kidnapped the minor girl of the complainant from its legal guardianship. Similarly, the said accused person is also been apprehended at Bangalore and he has been brought at the police station, and further investigation into the said case is being carried out on merit basis. Both the accused person have been produced before JMFC court for remand.